engine is running! Actually doing a lot better than I expected. I expected it to run like shit. Started right up. It took a while, but it started up. How we doing? Right up. Oil pressure? Yeah, I got oil pressure. I got fuel pressure. And a vacuum leak. Sounds like. Yeah, just moved it out all of a sudden. I don't know if you touch something. Yeah. It's probably still learning. The computer's got to learn. This one? That's what they told me anyway on the forums. I don't know. Oh yeah, the old one's got good oil pressure? Yeah, oil pressure's good look again. No, oil pressure just dropped off. There's no oil pressure. Hang on. Take that cap off. Look in there, make sure it's squirting. Disconnected?
What's it showing in there?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing in here. It was working a minute ago.